Nice and hot. Ooh. Oh yes. It's hot. Oh, look at that.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Vegan's Kitchen, and today we'll be making a nice veggie pizza. Today's ingredients will be mozzarella cheese, flour, pizza dough from Publix, tomato sauce, olive oil, peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, and red onions. Now we'll be adding our flour to our surface.
Spread it out. Spread it out a little bit. I think that's good. That's good for now, right? Alright, so what are you doing right now?
I'm just adding a little flour to the dough.
It's looking good. Can't wait to try this veggie pizza, right?
Yep.
That's a nice little circle. So what kind of crust are we making? Like a thick crust, thin crust pizza?
Yeah, thin crust.
Thin crust? Okay. We don't want it to be too thin. I think that's good. Roll this side. Roll it, yeah. That side's a little bit thick. I think that's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I am going to be adding my olive oil to the pan. Now let's add our dough to the pan.
Okay.
Now we will be adding our marinara sauce.
This is a super easy recipe to make at home, guys. Rub it all over the dough. Let's add some more. Just a little bit more. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to add too much sauce. Time to add our cheese, right?
Yes.
All right, let's grab the cheese.
Now let's add some cheese.
Make sure you add a decent amount of cheese on top. There you go. This pizza is gonna be so good
And cheese.
and cheesy. You wanna add some more cheese? Might as well add the whole bag, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's add our chocolate.
Now it's time to add our toppings, right?
Yeah.
Okay, choppings. What are you adding?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms, okay.
Now let's add some peppers.
Peppers, okay.
Okay.
Spread it out a little bit.
Now let's add some red onions. Now let's add our tomatoes. Now let's put it in the oven.
Alright guys, so we're gonna bake our pizza for 16 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the pizza is well done. Alright? Go ahead, grab it. Alright guys, so this is our veggie pizza. Time to slice it up and, you know, see what it tastes like, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Slice it. This pizza is huge. Right?
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Alright, so we're gonna let it cool for a bit, for a few more minutes, and then we'll start digging in. It's nice and hot. Ooh! Oh yes. It's hot. Oh, look at that.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we make a new video.